Take a moment and think about your favorite brands. Everything from your favorite sneaker label to go-to hotel chain to your everyday grocery store. Can you remember how you discovered these brands or services for the first time? Whether it's through a search that you made online, a helpful blog post, or even a video ad that popped up when you were watching a show, each of these experiences are tied to two different strategies in marketing: inbound and outbound. As you think about promoting your own brand, the big question is, which one is more effective and when should you use each? In this lesson, we're going to break down inbound versus outbound marketing. By the end, you'll know the key differences, the advantages of each, and how to choose the right type of advertisement, whether organic, paid, or a mix of both, to match your goals. What is inbound marketing? Well, it's all about drawing people to your brand naturally. Think about it as creating content that makes people want to come to you. Examples include blog posts, social media content, webinars, SEO optimized landing pages, just to name a few. The key strengths of inbound marketing is value. You're not chasing potential customers, you're creating resources, entertainment, or tools that help them find you when they need you most. For example, you're a clothing brand and someone searches how to style winter outfits. If your blog post appears in their search results packed with helpful tips, that's inbound marketing at work. Now, let's talk about outbound marketing. Outbound marketing is more direct. It's when you proactively reach out to your audience with ads, emails, or cold calls. Think of display ads on websites, ads you see while watching YouTube videos, or pop-up banners. While inbound waits for the audience to find you, outbound goes straight to them. It's perfect for reaching larger groups quickly or promoting time-sensitive campaigns. For example, if that same clothing brand runs a 20% off ad for winter jackets on a website or sends an email campaign, that's outbound marketing. Now that you know the differences, when should you use them? To choose between inbound and outbound, or a mix of both, you need to consider your goals, your budget, and your audience behavior. Let's break it down further. Organic ads fall under inbound marketing. They rely on unpaid media strategies like SEO and social media content. These are long-term investments, ideal for building trust and lasting engagement. Paid ads are more outbound focused. Think pay-per-click or PPC, where you're charged for every click. Cost per thousand impressions, or CPM, where you're charged for ad views. Paid ads are great for immediate visibility. Search ads are tied to inbound because they show up when someone actively searches for something online. They are highly targeted and ideal for capturing intent. Display ads are outbound tools like banners, wallpaper ads, and autoplay videos. These are designed to grab attention, even when someone isn't actively searching for your product. When considering paid ads, focus on two key metrics: CPC, cost per click. This controls your budget. You'll focus on how much you're willing to spend for a click. Cost per conversion measures how much it costs to turn a click into a lead or sale. Helpful for evaluating your ad's effectiveness. So, how do you decide between inbound and outbound marketing? It depends on your goals. If you're focused on long-term growth, brand awareness, and nurturing leads, invest in inbound strategies like blogs, organic social posts, search engine optimization, as a few examples. But if you need immediate results, like promoting a sale or gaining visibility into a competitive market, outbound tactics like PPC campaigns or display ads are your go-to. Here's your next step. Take a look at your current marketing goals. Are they short-term or long-term? Use this to decide if you need more inbound strategies or outbound strategies, or a mix of both. Remember, a successful marketing plan is rarely one or the other. It's about balancing the two to create the best possible experience for your audience and the best results for your brand.